Santa Claus lives at the North Pole. He makes toys. He delivers presents. But what if the North Pole moved? What if it wasn't north anymore? This isn't about Santa getting lost. It's about something scientists call a magnetic pole reversal. Imagine a giant magnet inside our Earth. It has a north and a south. That's how compasses work. But sometimes this magnet flips. North becomes south and south becomes north. Would Santa need to pack his sleigh and find a new workshop? The Earth's magnetic poles aren't fixed. They're always on the move. We know this from studying rocks. Some rocks are like little compasses. They lock in the direction of the magnetic field when they form. These rocks tell us that the poles have flipped many times throughout Earth's history. These flips aren't quick. They happen over hundreds to thousands of years. During a flip, the magnetic field weakens and gets messy. It might have multiple norths and souths for a while. Don't worry though, these flips aren't dangerous to life on Earth. Deep inside the Earth is a hot molten core. This core is made mostly of iron. The Earth's rotation and the heat from the core create electric currents. These currents in turn create the magnetic field. Think of it like a dynamo on a bicycle. When you pedal, the dynamo spins and generates electricity to power the light. Similarly, the Earth's spinning core generates the magnetic field that surrounds our planet. So what happens when the poles flip? Compasses would point south instead of north, that's for sure. But more importantly, our technology might be affected. Satellites and communication systems rely on the magnetic field. A weaker field could disrupt these systems. Animals that use the magnetic field for navigation, like birds and whales, might get confused. But don't worry too much. Life on Earth has survived many pole reversals before. We're adaptable creatures. And so is Santa. He might need a new address, but he'd still deliver presents.